Well, hello. Welcome back, everyone. I'll just take a moment to inform you all because I am a little early, I guess. There's still 2-3 minutes left. I'll just share on WhatsApp and on my timeline as well. Okay. So I have a lot of viewers. 18 people have already joined in. Hi Pramila ji. Hi Sangeeta. Hi Usha. Okay, so let's start with the new release. I know it's been a very delayed release. Hi Shalini. Hi Rutu. Hi Neeta. Hi Ritudi. Okay, so let's start. Let's not waste any more time and let's start with the video. Let me just... Should I switch the camera? I think I should because otherwise it won't be visible to you. Just give me a moment. I'll flip the camera, guys, okay? Yeah, this will be a better way to demonstrate. Okay. Sir, why is the torch on?
You must have your flash on.
Can you switch it off? Okay. Yeah. So the first release is a very different release for what I really come out with normally. It's a rainbow. It's a highly demanded dye from you all. So this is the rainbow and look how beautiful it creates. What a pretty piece it creates. Look at this. And it is not 4 or 5. It is a proper Vibgyor. 7 layers you're getting in this. Okay, and 2 clouds. So you get 7 cutouts. One is the outside, which is this part. This is the outside. Then you have to layer it on top of that. And then there are 2 clouds. And there is a technique for layering this. What I do is I keep the negative also, and then I layer my dyes in the negative using this double-sided tape on behind. So it is easy, and after once I've done that, I'll just remove the negative and I have my entire rainbow set with me. Now I can just paste it over that, over this this thing. Okay. So this is the first dye, which is entirely different concept in the whole release, but I just wanted to come out with this dye, and this is how you are getting all the cutouts and everything. Okay. So this is the piece which is the rainbow stripes, and the clouds are also here somewhere. I don't know. These are the clouds. Okay, Sarah, can you help me out with this, please? Thank you. Just leave this. Thank you. Baki rakho. Okay, the second dye. The second dye again is a very different dye, and all the dyes are there on the website. These are builder block dyes. These are very, very pretty dyes, guys. Very pretty. Like, versatility of the this dye is really fantastic. I must tell you. Look at this. I'm not doing much. Just मेरे हाथ में एक piece आ गया जिसमें 2 या 3 वो पड़े थे, and I have come up with the design. ये देखो, जस्ट एक के ऊपर एक बिल्ड करे जाओ एंड यू कैन मेक सो मच आउट ऑफ दिस. लुक एट दिस. Thank you, Donna. This is the way I have used it. This time I have not made much of the samples. No inspiration for you guys because I have really lost my mojo. I cannot find it. I really tried very hard, to do something, come up with something, but I have totally lost it. I could not do it. मतलब मैंने 2 महीना अप्रोक्सीमेटली अपनी रिलीज को पोस्टपोन किया. आई विल कम आउट विद समथिंग, आई विल कम अप विद समथिंग, एंड फाइनली आई took help of Shalini, and Shalini has been a darling to help me out. She was like, I called her up once and I told her, Maika, Shalini, I have lost my mojo. Can you help me out with the new release? Can you come up with something beautiful? Can you just spread your magic around? And she was such a darling. In one go, she was like, of course I will do it. Just send it over to me. So next week, Shalini is coming up with the course for you guys using this new release. So I just have one inspiration for you guys for this. This is how I have used these builder blocks. Okay? It's very easy to use वैसे. But I am really struggling. Actually, a lot has happened in my life also, my personal life. I was, preoccupied. First of all, I was going for a vacation after a long time. Then it was my parents' golden jubilee celebration. And something or other was happening. So I was not in the right frame of mind to work actually. So I think I was enjoying it, taking a break. Yeah, Shalini, thanks a lot, darling. You have been such a, darling, and I can't tell you, you have been a savior for me this time. Thanks a lot. Okay, this is the foliage dye, textured leaves. It's very nice, beautiful leaves. Look at this. For the fillers, we already have a lot of filler dyes. So this is another, just one more dye, but beautiful. Look at the detailing on the dyes, and once you just distress it a little and everything, it looks really pretty. And fillers तो आपको जितने हो उतने कम है, चाहिए ही होते हैं. You can't do without fillers. Okay. So the fourth dye of the block. Look at this. It's a very, very pretty dye and a very simple dye for quick cards and quick envelopes. I think you are gonna love this dye because the size of the flower is so nice and the layering happens is so pretty. Now एक ही बार आप die cut करो and इतना fuller flower मिलता है ना आपको. You get such a pretty flower. You really don't need much out of this. Look at this. Just in one go. एक die cut से this is what you're getting. Look at this. Okay. And these are the shades. अगर आप थोड़ा सा variation करना चाहते हो, just with the colors, you want to play with the colors and all. And if you are noticing these gradient colors and beautiful shades, very soon, I think, along with Shalini, it was actually my idea to come up with these gradient papers of the similar category, 4s. Because in India, we are not getting the similar papers of same texture, same color, same volume. Actually, GSM, same GSM. 300 GSM का पेपर हमें चाहिए. वो जरूरी नहीं है. It is not necessary. We are getting the same 300 GSM in all the shades, all the 4 shades. 4 shades में भी मिल जाएंगे. लेकिन वो paper quality फर्क हो जाती है. I have been using my metallics also along with the matte papers, so I was not liking that. And these papers, look at the shades, they are so pretty. Look at this. So these papers are really, really pretty, and I will be coming up with these papers by next week most likely. They will be ready by next week. So this is another dye. I'll just show you the sample also. what I have done, this was a very quick card, very quick. Like it just took me 5 minutes or 10 minutes to make these two when I had the die cuts ready already. Look at these, so pretty. Okay, so fourth die is done. Fifth die. Oh, this is so pretty. I adore this die too. This is such a fun die. Look at this. You can use the center. You do not want to use the center, you can just leave it like that. Look at this. And this one more smaller one here. See how pretty it looks. This is such a fun die. I really adored this die. And the textures and everything. Look at this, the color. And the sample I have made with this is this. See how bright and vibrant this is. Are these sentiments also available? Which sentiment are you talking about, darling? You are amazing. Yes, this. Just hold on. Where can I buy your dies from? Where are you located, Donna? Please connect me through Messenger. Okay, so this is another die. Beautiful die. And these dies are priced so reasonably. Like 550, 600 and 450, like that. They are very reasonably priced, these flower dies. And you don't have to do much. I have not even distressed these flowers. The colors itself are so pretty. I did not need to do anything. I just pasted them and it was done. Okay. So this is one of the most beautiful flower set I have ever made. Look at this, guys. This is a very simple yet adorable set. See, doing nothing, just playing with the die cuts. See, one pattern is here. Another one. Third one. And fourth one. There is a lot of versatility with this one. You can even add like this. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा. I'll just share the samples. Look here. Look at the poppies here. I have just created a few. See how pretty they look. There's one more sample, I guess, with this. Yeah. Look at this. See how pretty this is. Sir, light जलाइयो white वाले ऊपर. नहीं, बहुत striking है, बंद रखती हूँ. See.
Flash on total.
Yeah, this was in the sneak peek. Okay. So these two samples I have created with this die. This is the most beautiful die. It is so pretty and so versatile, and the size is so good. Like you can really place it on any card and it will just do wonders. And same is one more die which I have come out with. This is the poppy build a tulip die. It is also so pretty and versatile. इसके भी मतलब you can create I think more than 10 types of flowers with this. Look at this. See, I have just just keep on playing with it. You can create so many options. Look at this. So the die is like this. Okay. And these are all the options. I'll show you the inspiration. I think I've just made one inspiration out of this. Look at this. How pretty it looks. Okay. So this is another die. Just a moment. I'll just remove this from here. Okay. Now for this die, I do not have any inspo for you guys, but I have made a few flowers. Sir, इसकी die लेकर आना पापा से, Daisy बड़ी वाली. I do not have a die with me. Just give me a moment. See, this is the flowers I have made out of this. Such a pretty die. And trust me guys, सिर्फ 2 layers हैं ये फूल में. So this is the die. Okay. Thank you, Anita. Thanks a lot. Okay. This is the die. This is how it looks from. And this is its stock. We'll just paste it over this like so. Okay, and you can do it in 2 colors or okay, like this, and this is good to go. And I think I can place something like this here. I can create a bouquet with a gold something or something like this. I have to work on it. I'm not very sure because I did not prepare a card for this. I do not have anything. I think it will go here. Yeah, this can look nice. See how pretty it looks. Just added one flower on both the sides. Okay, so this is one more die. Very pretty die. Very pretty. Honestly, इसमें मैंने ना इसके 4 वो दिए हैं. 4 हैं, किसी में 3 हैं. तो बट जब मैंने यूज करे हैं, I've used 3 of them. मैंने 4 यूज नहीं करे हैं. मैंने किसी में 3 यूज करे हैं, किसी में 2 यूज करे हैं, लाइक दैट. ये डाई मैंने एक्चुअली पहले काट के फ्लावर्स बना के सब कुछ करके रखा हुआ था. वो पैकेट कहाँ गया मुझे पता नहीं. और आज जब करने बैठी हूँ, प्रिपेयर करी थी वीडियो के लिए, देन आई रियलाइज आई डू नॉट हैव द फ्लावर्स विद मी एंड आई सर्च देम एवरीवेयर एंड आई कुड नॉट फाइंड देम. सो ये जस्ट लास्ट के 15-20 मिनट में बनाया मैंने. आई डिड नॉट हैव टाइम टू कंप्लीट द फ्लावर्स प्रॉपरली. पूरा एक पैकेट मेरा फ्लावर्स का खो गया. उसमें सारे ही फ्लावर्स मैंने बना रखे थे. Thank you, Payal. Thanks a lot. Okay, this is another layering die. Again, very beautiful. मैं अपनी डाइस को खुद ही बोलती रहती हूँ, but they are. What can I do? I can't help it. See, look how beautiful they look. Do you need anything on these? क्या करोगे कुछ भी लगा के यार. देखो इतने सुंदर है फ्लावर्स. You really don't need anything. See, it is a complete project. सिर्फ एक फ्लावर ही तो ऐड किया है. फॉलिश तो पहले से एडेड थी. These are very pretty roses. Very pretty roses. See. See how beautiful they look. Thank you, Sumedha. Okay, so this is another die. Roses, layered roses. Okay, now comes the background dies. Beautiful background I have come up with this time. And I'll tell you how the die works. So this is the die. All these insert in the die. These are detachable. See, you can remove them. So if you remove them, just a moment. Let me grab one die cut. ये die cut है मेरे पास. ये डाई कट है मेरे पास. अगर मैंने इसके साथ इसको डाई कट किया है तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा मिलता है और साथ में मुझे ये पीसेस मिलते हैं सारे अंदर के. ये सारे पीसेस मुझे मिलते हैं जो मैं अंदर लगा सकती हूँ. Getting it? And if I remove these pieces, if I just come out, take them out like this, twist them and take them out, then what I will get is ये वाला जो पूरा अंदर का जो ये पीस है ना, दिस विल बी प्लेन, नथिंग विल कट आउट. यहां पे भी पेपर आएगा गोल्डन प्रॉपरली. गेटिंग मी? तो ये कट आउट नहीं होगा, अंदर से पूरा वो आएगा. सिर्फ आपको एक हेरिंगबोन डिजाइन मिलेगा उस तरह से. तो हेरिंगबोन नहीं, सॉरी, क्वार्टर फॉइल डिजाइन मिलेगा. मैंने अभी किया नहीं है बिकॉज मेरे से काम ही नहीं हो रहा, तो मैं कहाँ इनके छोटे छोटे पीसेस संभालूंगी. शालिनी करेगी शायद. शालिनी कर रही है. मुझसे तो हो ही नहीं रहा है. मैंने इतना स्ट्रगल अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं किया क्राफ्टिंग के लिए. ये देखो, इसके मैंने आई हैव मेड दिस वेरी सिंपल. मैंने सिर्फ आई प्लेड विद द कॉम्बिनेशन, जिसमें मैंने कुछ खास किया ही नहीं है. आई हैव मेड दिस. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू पुल दिस ऑफ बट मैंने वो भी नहीं किया अभी. सी, ये पीसेस सारे ना अंदर इंसर्ट हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे. यू हैव टू जस्ट पेस्ट देम एंड वेरी सिंपल. कुछ इसमें बहुत रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. ओके, लाइक दिस. इसको कहीं कहीं लगा लो, चाहे पूरे में लगा लो, इट इज ऑल अप टू यू. ओके, सो दिस इज अनदर डाई, another envelope topper die. It's very beautiful यार. This is very beautiful die, I must say. डाइज मेरी बड़ी सुंदर बनती है. डाइज में मेरा अभी भी दिमाग चल रहा है, वो मैं अभी भी डिजाइन कर रही हूँ, लेकिन क्राफ्टिंग नहीं हो पा रही यार. क्या हो गया मुझे? मेरे से डाई कटिंग नहीं हो पा रही. सबसे बड़ी बात, क्राफ्टिंग तो फिर करूंगी ना जब डाई कटिंग करूंगी. डाई कटिंग ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं. मेरा मोजो ही नहीं आ रहा. मतलब आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनक्लाइन टू डू एनीथिंग. हाँ, सिर्फ जब सिस्टम डाइज आती है उस टाइम एक बार काट के देखने का जो मजा होता है ना, दैट इज वेरी डिफरेंट. So this is what my inspiration was for this one. Then another one in the label series, the rounded, what will I call this? Oval है ये, पता नहीं, elongated oval समझ लो. So again my problem was with this one was कि मैंने तो अभी separate नहीं करी अपनी डाइज, सिर्फ एक को ही किया था मेरे को, क्योंकि वो उसका एनवेलप में था. इफ यू सेपरेट देम यू विल गेट अ बेस लाइक दिस, प्लेन मिलेगा. और अगर आप इकट्ठा चलाओगे इनको तो आपको कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा. जैसी डाइज आपको दी है मैंने, अगर ऐसे ही चलाओगे तो यू विल गेट दीज फ्रेम्स. सो यू कैन रियली वर्क विद देम. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू कम्प्लीट दिस, आई कुड नॉट. मैंने ये बनाया था, बेस बना के रखा है, इसके ऊपर कुछ अरेंजमेंट करना था, मैं कर नहीं पाई. आई थिंक ये वाला अरेंजमेंट वैसे जाएगा इसके ऊपर. दिस विल गो ऑन दिस ऑल्सो. Yeah, it will. विनीता, ज्यादा इंस्पायर मत हो. रेनबोज अलग से ले ले. ओके, एंड सी, इसको मैंने इसमें भी यूज किया है. आई हैव यूज द फ्रेम्स हियर, आई हैव यूज द फ्रेम्स हियर. एंड देन एक और था जिसमें मैंने वो यूज किया था. ये इसमें भी मैंने यही वाले फ्रेम्स यूज करे हैं. सो दिस इज तो वेरी वर्सेटाइल डाई, वेरी वेरी वर्सेटाइल डाई. इसको तो आप पता नहीं कितने सारे वेज में यूज कर सकते हो. लेबल्स डाइज, एंड इसके अंदर यू आर गेटिंग दिस यू आर अमेजिंग डाई एज वेल. सो दिस कैन बी यूज इन लॉट ऑफ वेज. देयर इज नो लिमिट. सो दिस इज अनदर वन. And last but not the least, a very very high on demand die. This is slimline loopy frame die, and this is how it will look. Very simple, very plain envelope, nothing, कोई कुछ नहीं किया इसमें, सिर्फ तीनों इकट्ठा काटा है 3 कलर में और उसको एडजस्ट कर लिया है एंड एक एनवेलप तैयार हो गया। एक एक फूल चिपका लो इस पे, अगर लगाना चाहते हो तो, नहीं लगाना चाहते हो तो लेट इट बी, उसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है, लगा सकते हो। येलो नहीं जा रहा इस पे, ब्लू जाएगा। So this is another inspiration by me and these are the frames. Again if you cut them like this, अगर आप सारे frames को इकट्ठा जैसे आते हैं वैसे काटोगे तो you will get these frames. ये सेंटर का पार्ट कटा हुआ आएगा। If you disconnect a die, separate करोगे एक die को, अगर सिर्फ इसको चलाओगे अलग करके तो you will get something like this. If you use these two ties together, the smallest one and this, अगर इकट्ठा चलाते तो आपको कुछ ऐसा मिलता फ्रेम। कहाँ गया ये मिलता फिर आपको, ये और ये ऐसे। Was waiting for this die. See, I heard you, Archana. So this is another one and then you get stay blessed sentiment as well along with this die. So value for money die. 4 frames है, 1 sentiment है and yeah, this sentiment can cut inside the paper or if you just take if you cut this together with this rectangle, it will come out like this. अगर ये rectangle हटा देते हो कहीं पे भी बीच में रखते हो वो पेपर के अंदर काटेगा सिर्फ, the frame will not come out otherwise. जैसे मेरे बाकी सारे पुराने वाले टाइज में भी हैं, I like to make it like that so that I have an option मुझे क्या करना है। So this is the whole release for now, but in I think 4 or 5 days I am just waiting. शालिनी को अभी तक पार्सल मिला नहीं है पेपर्स का, वो मिल जाए and we can discuss कि हमें क्या कलर्स निकालने हैं तो we can. I will be coming out with these gradient papers. I'll show you the shades and all थोड़ा सा जो मैंने अभी बनवाया है। See, the color options, beautiful color schemes. So ये भी next week तक they will be available. And now for the discount. Yes, there is a discount. On all orders above 1500, there is a discount coupon of 5%. Use discount coupon June 5. There is no, it is all caps and there is no space in between. June 5 is the coupon code. And for, what do you call that? For 10% off, you have to make a purchase of at least 3500 on the website from DCAM brand. This coupon code is only valid on DCAM brand, no other brand, okay? So for over 3500, you use June 10 and over 1500, you use June 5. And then you will get a discount, okay? Yeah, I'll just show the dies once again. So this is the die. This is the loopy frame die. This is how it comes out. This is the Slimline Stitch Labels 3 and this is how the frames come out in I don't know, elongated oval shape, okay? Then there is Build a Tulip die. This is how it looks. This is just one glimpse of that die. This is a very versatile die. You can use it in many ways. मैंने इसमें छोटे वाले tulips तो use ही नहीं करे अभी, मैंने सिर्फ खिले हुए use करे हैं. Okay, buds नहीं use कर पाई मैं. This is the Build a Poppy flower die, and the sample for this is, look at this, these flowers, beautiful flowers it makes, very very beautiful flowers. I love this die. I adore this die. Okay, then this is asymmetric flowers die and the sample for asymmetric flowers is this one. Okay, this is the die. Then there is layering flower 5. I think you can see it here, layering flower 5 ke flowers dono. This is how they will come out. I have no sample for this. Shalini is coming out with a course next week for sure, so please stay tuned for that. And trust me, book your dyes in well in advance, because एक बार उस शालिनी का कोर्स आ गया फिर डाइज नहीं मिलने वाली, एंड शी इज नॉट कमिंग अप विद द किट गाइज, बिकॉज द फ्लावर्स की इतनी लेयर्स है, और वो एंड वैसे भी डाइज आर सो रीजनेबली प्राइस ना, तो इट इज बेटर यू बाय द डाइज. सो शी टोल्ड मी वेरी स्पेसिफिकली, मानसी आई एम नॉट कमिंग आउट विद द कोर्स, प्लीज अनाउंस दैट इन योर लाइव ओनली. So this is another die, the asymmetric daisy die, and the sample for that die is again this one and this one. I've used this die like this, okay. And ये मैंने leaves foliage भी मैंने इन dies में use करी है, ये देखो ये use करी हुई है. Then this is the builder blocks die, and I have used it here. These triangles I have used from Builder Blocks dies. Okay. Then this is a very cute die, rainbow die. It is not the part of the family, but it was really required by us. This is how it looks, and it is a proper whipcord. You get 7 layers to play with. Okay. So this is the rainbow die with clouds. It's also very reasonably priced. Very reasonably priced. And then this is the last but not the least, the layering flower 6 die. It's a huge die, and this is how the die makes the flowers. It's very pretty. I had made these flowers. पूरा मैंने shading करके बड़े सुंदर flowers बनाए थे. वो कहाँ रखे मैंने, मुझे मिले नहीं. So I'm really sorry I do not have a sample for this flower right now. But hopefully Shalini will make something out of these. These are very versatile and very beautiful flowers. I'll just show you an example. Just place a flower here, and a project can be finished. Okay. And then there is one more die. This die is also there. The background die. वो मेरे को मिल नहीं रही है अभी. कहाँ पे है सारा इसकी die? This is the background die which I have come up with this time. It comes out like this, and along with that there is the inserts which are like this. See, very pretty die, very beautiful die. So this is all for this time. In total there are 12 dies, and the total of all the dies is 900 rupees. It's less than 10,000 this time. So, and if you place an order now, you can avail a 10% discount, plus there is a combo offer. If you place an order for the entire combo, it is for 9,500 rupees as it is, so 400 rupees you're saving. प्लस 9500 पे आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा, तो वो हो जाएगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली 950 और कम हो जाएगा. 8350 रुपीज का पड़ेगा आपको कॉम्बो टोटल इस टाइम पे. सो प्लीज गो हेड एंड प्लेस योर ऑर्डर्स राइट नाउ ऑन द वेबसाइट, एंड ट्रस्ट मी ईच एंड एवरी डाई इज वर्थ इट, बिकॉज डाइज की प्राइसिंग इतनी कम रखी है मैंने इस बार. जो ये फ्लावर वाली डाइज है 450 500 550 इस तरह की रेंज है ये. एंड ये वाली डाइज तो खैर ये तो सोल्ड आउट हो जाएंगी बहुत जल्दी. आई एम श्योर ये तीनों डाइज बहुत जल्दी सोल्ड आउट होंगी. और वैसे भी शालिनी का कोर्स आएगा, डाइज तो सोल्ड आउट होनी चाहिए. शालिनी का मैजिक चलेगा जब इन डाइज पे, फॉर श्योर. अ क्विक क्लिम्स. अब गरिमा प्लीज पूरा वीडियो देख ले, क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल अब साइन ऑफ करने लगी हूँ. ओके. So thanks a lot for joining me, guys. Thanks a lot. Shalini, I'm really waiting eagerly to show your magic, to see your magic. Please, everyone, keep encouraging Shalini so that, she comes up very quickly. I know she's not got the papers so far. We not? Means, Shalini, kya matlab? Okay. So, thanks a lot, guys, for joining me. See you soon. And Shalini is live now. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye. I hope you like this release, and go place your orders now. Thank you.